guys, I have an order from Swiss Arabian that came in today. It was my first time ordering from them directly. It was pretty quick. So I want to share it with you guys because I have some blind buys in here that I bought based off of, well, one in particular that I bought simply based off Sharida M's recommendations. I follow her. I trust her nose. And so I bought this. I'd been seeing it for a while and wanted it, but I couldn't bite the bullet because it's like $50 on Amazon, like $47 or something. And during the Mother's Day weekend, they were doing a sale on Swiss Arabian. So I was like, let me grab it and see what I think about it. Oh, now I didn't have to use scissors to open it. Y'all know I hate that. But let's get our nose on this scent real quick. I'm excited, but I wanted to share with y'all. So we'll come back later. Oh, I got a few different fragrances. Okay, I'll talk about these later though. I'll do these separately. The one I'm most excited about is this. Sharida girl, I bought this because of you. You the reason. You influenced me. Let's see what it smells like. Okay. I wonder if this has what I paid for it on. From our family to yours, here's a small token of our appreciation for your support in our brand. To further immerse yourself in the scents we've created with you in mind, we hope you enjoy our fragrances. With gratitude, Swiss Arabian. Child, they gave me a sample. We love a sample. And if it's real good, I'm going to have to get it. This is a headband wig, y'all. One of my faves. Another thing I was influenced to get. Headband wig is from Love Me Hair. So good. But Shaghaf Oud Tonka from Swiss Arabian. The packaging, A1. Period. It's given Tiffany. It looks a little richer on camera than it actually is in person. It's a little more muted in person. Has a like soft velvet feel. This little plaque is like plastic, I think, but super, super cute. The packaging is nice, textured on the back. Okay, let's spray. First impression. And y'all know it's new because it ain't even coming out. Look. Ooh. Get into the atomizer. Okay, so this is the first impressions because I didn't really know what to expect. I know that we have a lot of the same notes that we like. So like amber, I think Tonka, obviously, oud, vanilla, sandalwood probably. But I get cherry and almond. This kind of smells like cherry and almond to me. Let me spray it on my skin to see. But first impression, I love it. I'm glad I bought it. And yeah, I like it. I'm glad I bought it. I'm glad I got it discounted. But would I pay $50 for it if I repurchased it and couldn't get it for a discounted price? Yes, I think I would. If you wear the cherry almond Jergens, this will pair perfectly with that. On my skin, it's definitely leaning a little more sweet. It has a fresh, yep. It has a freshness to it. I smell cherry. I don't know if cherry is a note, but I smell cherry. It's sweet. It's delectable. It is a gourmand for sure. Yeah, you need it. Sharida, this is Brandie Channail approved. You need it. Get it. I will purchase again. This is good. Love, love, love. If you're interested to see these two, stick around for another video. But yeah, you need it. Okay. I love y'all. Take care of each other. Be good to each other. Be kind. We'll see you next time. Bye.